accompanied. Close ranks. March. I don't know, let's just do this. To the front. March. Step. Left. Wheel. Front. Step. 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 Present.
Unbreakable band. Formed by
American allies.
Hey!
Oh, the 35th Grenadiers with the fur hats, the helmets. Your local militia, when you were male, ages 16 to 60, you served in the militia, and you were required to have in your home New Jersey Regiment. It's like the 1st Rhode Island. You can tell that in 1776 you didn't have the real military look that George Washington wanted. Washington wanted to raise and equip a respectable army, and for the next number of years he was constantly trying to get the army to be uniformed and look like their European enemies, because he knew that the only way we were going to get an alliance with a European state like France or Spain to get the support, to get the weapons, get the money, was we had to show the crowned heads of Europe that we could be potentially a real power. Shoulder! Well! Now the crown forces are going to be marching off.
Crown forces will wheel to the right by section.
Back from the road and go